IELTS Life Skills A1 Spouse Visa Test.
Now it is time for the listening section. I will play two recordings and I will ask you some questions from it. Are we ready?
Yes.
You have to listen to the recording and tell me what are they talking about: cooking, computer, or driving. Candidate A, you will tell me about recording 1, and candidate B, you will tell me about recording 2. So can we start?
IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test. Test 2, Recording 1. This recording is copyright.
Learning various new things is a passion for me. On my next vacation, I will learn computer, which is a great skill. I will learn it from a local institute. It will take only 4 weeks to learn basic computer. I want to learn computer with my friends. I have 6 friends, and they are also interested in learning new skill. Last vacation, we have learned cooking. But this time we want to learn a different skill. The course fee is £50, which is quite reasonable. We have to attend the class 5 days in a week. Recording 2.
Whenever I have some spare time, I try to learn some skill. During last summer holiday, I have learned cooking. And I learned it with my cousins. There is a cooking school in our town, where we did our course. The whole course was for 6 weeks. And total cost was £45. I have learned to cook so many dishes, from continental to European. My favorite dish is Thai curry, because it is very easy to prepare. My sister doesn't like cooking, but she is interested in traveling. So she has learned driving recently. And she has bought a new car last week.
Candidate A, can you tell me what are they talking about in the first recording: cooking, computer, or driving?
In the first recording, they are talking about computer.
Thank you. Candidate B, what are they talking about in the recording 2: cooking, computer, or driving?
Cooking and driving, I guess.
You have to choose one.
Cooking.
Well, thank you so much. Now listen to the recording again and answer these questions. From the recording 1 would be answered by candidate B. Candidate B, you will tell me how long it will take her to learn computer and how much is the fee for the course. And candidate A, you will tell me from the second recording with who did she learn cooking and what is her favorite dish. I'm going to play the recording again.
Recording 1.
Learning various new things is a passion for me. On my next vacation, I will learn computer, which is a great skill. I will learn it from a local institute. It will take only 4 weeks to learn basic computer. I want to learn computer with my friends. I have 6 friends, and they are also interested in learning new skill. Last vacation, we have learned cooking. But this time we want to learn a different skill. The course fee is £50, which is quite reasonable. We have to attend the class 5 days in a week. Recording 2.
Whenever I have some spare time, I try to learn some skill. During last summer holiday, I have learned cooking. And I learned it with my cousins. There is a cooking school in our town, where we did our course. The whole course was for 6 weeks. And total cost was £45. I have learned to cook so many dishes, from continental to European. My favorite dish is Thai curry, because it is very easy to prepare. My sister doesn't like cooking, but she is interested in traveling. So she has learned driving recently. And she has bought a new car last week.
Candidate B, could you tell me how long it will take her to learn computer and how much is the course fee? Candidate B, how long it will take her to learn computer?
It will take her to learn computer 4 weeks.
How much is the course fee?
The course fee is £50.
Candidate A, with who did she learn cooking? With who did she learn cooking?
She learned cooking with her cousins.
And what is her favorite dish?
Her favorite dish is Thai curry.
Thank you so much, Candidate A.